Name is Dennis Nyaega Mounde. I come here courtesy of a senator aspirant by the name Tony Moturi Oluoch. Tony Moturi Oluoch. Yesterday I was here in the afternoon. We had to walk around with the principal and the teachers who are here. We saw the damage that the girls had in their dormitory through the fire. And we were moved by that compassion that we needed to give them something that to keep them going. So we are here courtesy, personally I'm here courtesy of Tony Moturi, ili tuweze kusaidia watoto wapate hata mattress moja na blanket moja, ili waweze kufanya nini? Kutumia, sababu vitu zao zilifanya nini? Zilichomeka. So nataka kushukuru shule kwa jumla kwamba watoto wetu walipochomekewa, you didn't run away. The teachers were here. By yesterday we came here, even other principals from other schools came to support their fellow principal. We came here, we realized even the administration of the area was here. Walikuja kusimama pamoja na wanafunzi. So Tony Moturi tulipomweleza jana, those jojege usiku, no omogaka omanyete obokongu bwa banafunzi. Omanyete nga bayiboli abana bande mbara abakuru chi family background chire chinkongu. Anda ke toba tumeka bono igana obara mbara eta gento kieke na bakuira naenda another month babereteka bakurigie mattress na gento kieke no borangeti na kiye kogera achora nga tiga abana banyore e mattress no borangeti at least yababeke ke wango gete manya kurigie ebinto bibinde bitigarete na bakonyoro bakonyire rinde babere gento kieke esukuru igo otuachire no yokorigia obo senator oyokoroku Tony Moturi Oluoch na erochire erinda konya abana bake igo abasukie edo mweri ayete na barubu ebinto byabo byayeto at least abana babe relieved no akara bakonde class ime banyore mbabwato e mattress bakorarira no barangete bakorarira ko bakonya korengereria na kibinto byabete nabo igo nkobori toro koboria nga bari bande bari sikaria the well wishers baranje go support abana aba erinde bache tobwaterane asenge chugo support abana aba gente ngeri gotebanga ngochakire igo konyora gyakorire ki gyachire so abana abankuri bare ogokonya korwa setore abarayi bonse bibali baratoke kindly come to support abana aba aina aramakana.